Hello there, welcome to my channel and I'm Dilip here. Today I'm going to do unboxing of MSI GF75 series laptop. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Beast is ready to be unlocked. Plastic stuff, invoice, and here is the laptop. Laptop really feels sturdy. Let's see what's inside the box. A manual, charger feels a bit heavy, nice dragon logo. Let's open the screen and see how it looks. Black metal body looks great. Air vent, power button, and one more air vent. On the right side of the laptop, two USB 3.2 type, one HDMI and charging port. On the other side, Kensington lock, 3.5mm jack, USB 3.2 type, USB Type-C and an Ethernet port. On the back side, there are two air vents. Let's look at the bottom. You can see the air vents are placed here, here, here and here. To allow maximum air inflow, you need to tilt the screen further. Lid and top of the compartment are made by black brushed metal and it looks elegant. Bottom of the compartment is made by plastic. Laptop comes with two fans, one for CPU and one for GPU. So one can expect a better gaming performance. This laptop comes with i7 9th generation H processor, 16GB of RAM, 256GB SSD and 1TB hard disk drive. 4GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics. Keyboard comes with backlit LED. There is no space between keyboard and the trackpad. Speakers are placed under the compartment. It has very thin bezels, so I expect a better viewing experience. Back side of the display attracts fingerprints quite easily. I'm skeptical about the air vents which are placed here because they blow hot air onto the screen directly. When I hold the bottom of the laptop, it feels sturdy, but quality of the bezels could have been better. Overall, laptop build quality is pretty good except for the bezels. In the next video, I'm gonna share viewing experience, performance, upgradability of the laptop. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you have any questions about this laptop, please comment down below. See you in my next video.